Yesterday we discussed about the question number 13.1 and 13.2. So let's start with the question number 13.3. Your question number 13.3 is a give reason type question. Your first part says that pKb of aniline is more than that of methylamine. Now tell me what is pKb first of all. Dia, you tell me what is pKb. What is going to be the pKb beta? Anyone else? क्या होता है pKb? pKb का मतलब क्या है? बोलो बेटा. Anyone tell me what is pKb?
Ma'am, base dissociation constant.
Very good. It is base dissociation constant. ये छोटी छोटी चीजें which we require to keep in our mind. Now look, the question is saying that this base dissociation constant of aniline is more than that of methylaniline. So what is reason? Methylamine, sorry. What is reason behind it? Now I just give the hint and you require to give me the answer then. This is your aniline, and when we talk about the methylamine, it is what? This is methylamine. Now anyone who can give me the answer for this? Just a try.
रेजोनेंस हो जाती है उसमें
इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing nature.
और कुछ? One has said resonance, another has said electron withdrawing nature. और बताओ.
मैम एनिलीन में ड्यू टू रेजोनेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन लेस अवेलेबल होंगे.
Yes, रौनक. और यहाँ पे कौन सा इफेक्ट बताओगे?
मैम यहाँ पे
प्लस आई
इंडक्टिव
प्लस आई इफेक्ट.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just note down the answer right now only. What is going to happen? जब भी इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है बेटा in your exam, तो first of all you require to draw the structure. Structure is must. Okay. Then over here, what you are going to write? In the case of the aniline, you are going to show. You are going to write down. It undergoes a resonance. As a result, electrons on nitrogen atom are going to delocalize over the benzene ring. Therefore, electrons on nitrogen atom will be less available to donate. अब इतना जैसे आपने मुझे बोला कि मैम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लेस अवेलेबल होंगे, उसके बाद यू रिक्वायर टू ड्रॉ द रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ द एनिलीन आल्सो. रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एनिलीन्स जो हैं आप बनाओगे, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द मार्क्स. अगर आपका क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स का है, then it is not necessary to draw the resonating structure. But if your question carries the more marks, then please do not forget to draw the structure. Okay? So just write down over here. Your aniline undergoes resonance. As a result, electrons on nitrogen atom are delocalized over the benzene ring. There are 4 electrons on nitrogen atom. Are less available to donate. Now I hope that you can draw the resonating structure of aniline. Everyone, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I just give you 30 seconds. जल्दी से बनाओ. Drawn बेटा. बनाया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you are going to write down about methylamine. Your methylamine due to methylamine due to plus I effect of methyl group electron density on nitrogen atom gets increased. As a result, aniline is less basic. Sorry, methylamine is less basic than the aniline. Okay. Now coming to the B part. Your B part says ethylamine is soluble in water, whereas aniline is not. Now what is methylamine? Sorry, ethylamine. एनिलीन का स्ट्रक्चर आप लोगों को पता है? That is your NH2 और ethylamine का मतलब क्या हो गया? C2H5 NH2. Now who is going to give the answer for this? What will be the reason for this?
Ma'am, hydrogen bonding.
Very good. What is going to happen in the case of the ethylamine? Whenever ethylamine is added to the water, it is going to form the intermolecular hydrogen bond with the water, which makes it soluble. Now over here in this particular, you require to show the hydrogen bonding. तब भी आपका आंसर जो है वो complete होगा when you are going to show the hydrogen bonding in this case. Like this. Okay. And when we talk about the aniline, your aniline do not form the hydrogen bond. ये hydrogen bond क्यों नहीं बनाता है? Due to the hydrophobic presence of hydrophobic C6H5 group. Note down this beta, everyone. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come to the C part. Your third part says methylamine in water reacts with ferric chloride to precipitate hydrated ferric oxide. Now it is what it is saying, that your मिथाइल अमीन इन वाटर. अब पहले तो आपको रिएक्शन पता होनी चाहिए बेटा. मिथाइल अमीन इन वाटर इज व्हाट? CH3NH2 plus I am making HOH. So what it is going to form? It is going to form the CH3NH3. Over here the plus sign will come, plus OH minus. Okay. Now what has happened over here beta? That a hydroxyl ion is being released. Now they are saying that it is going to react with ferric chloride. Now when you are going to add in this ferric chloride, तो ferric chloride में से भी क्या हो जाएगा? Fe3 plus ion replete होगा. This Fe3 plus ion and this OH ion, they are going to react with each other. When they are going to react with each other, it is going to form the Fe2O3 dot your X, you can write down H2O. Okay, this will be your reaction. Now what is going to be the reason behind it? Anyone? What will be the reason behind it? Why it is going to precipitate hydrated ferric oxide?
मैम क्योंकि मिथाइलमाइन वाटर से ज्यादा बेसिक होता है.
Yes, it is because of the your due to the fact, due to plus I effect of CH3 group of methylamine. Now because of this plus I effect of CH3 group, it is going to be more basic than the water. Therefore methylamine has produced the OH minus ions by accepting the H ions from the water. Now when you are going to add the ferric chloride is going to dissociate in the water to form the Fe3 plus ions plus Cl minus ions. Now over here Fe3 plus ions, they are going to react with the OH minus ion to form the precipitate of hydrated ferric oxide. In this particular reaction in this particular answer you require to mention the reaction. This one reaction, another reaction जो आपको लिखनी होगी, FeCl3 breaks into Fe3 plus 3 Cl minus, and your third reaction which you require to write down will be over here, Fe3 plus OH minus Fe2O3 and it will be H2O. Balance the reaction. 2, 6, 3. ये तीनों reactions आपको लिखनी है. Note down this. Note it.
मैम प्लीज वेट.
Okay बेटा. Done बेटा. Done, everyone? Class 12?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Coming to
ma'am.
the okay, beta. Coming to the D part. Your fourth part, it says, although amino group is ortho and para-directing in aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, aniline on nitration gives a substantial amount of meta-nitroaniline. Have you understand the question, what it is saying? Question is
Yes,
saying,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So if you have understood, then can you tell me the answer?
मैम इसमें एनिलिलियम एंड फॉर्म होता है ना, वो मेटा डायरेक्टिंग होता है.
Yes. Always remember then whenever we are going to do the nitration, आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी हम concentrated HNO3 डालते हैं for the nitration, we always put a H2SO4 also. It means that nitration is going to take place in the acidic medium only. Now aniline क्या हो जाता है? It becomes a protonated to give the anilinium ion, which is a meta directing. So please note it, write it down. Write it down in this manner only, that nitration is carried out in acidic medium. Aniline is protonated to produce anilinium ion, which is a meta-directing in nature.
मैम एक बार रिपीट करना.
Okay, beta. Nitration is carried out in acidic medium. Therefore, aniline becomes protonated to give anilinium ion, which is meta-directing in nature. Done, Peter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to the fifth part. Your fifth part says aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Can anyone give this answer?
मैम बिकॉज एनिलीन बेसिक होता है और AlCl3 एसिडिक होता है तो वो सॉल्ट फॉर्म कर लेगा.
Yes, very good. What is going to happen? That Friedel-Crafts is always carried out in the presence of AlCl3, and AlCl3 is acidic in nature while aniline is a strong base. Therefore, it is going to form a salt. So, इसमें you require to make the structure of that salt, beta. That is your NH2AlCl3. Okay. And the reason will be कि नाइट्रोजन एटम जो है उसका पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है तो इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन इन बेंजीन रिंग गेट्स डीएक्टिवेटेड. Make write down it. Done, beta? Note it down, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now cut the sixth part. Sixth part is not cut it from our syllabus. Cut the sixth part. Coming to the seventh part. Your seventh part says Gabriel thalamide synthesis is preferred for synthesis of primary amines. Gabriel thalamide, who remembered this particular reaction? Gabriel thalamide किसको याद है reaction? Your Gabriel thalamide में क्या था? If you remember, this was your thalamide, isn't it? Now in this particular reaction, what we did, that your primary amine is going to form. Gabriel thalamide reaction, whenever it takes place, it always going to form the primary amine only. Your second degree and third degree, they are not formed in this synthesis. The reason is what we say, because of this reason only we always prepare a Gabriel thalamide reaction. Okay, ये हम लोगों ने in the preparation of the primary amines we have done also. Just you require to write down that in the case of Gabriel thalamide, it synthesizes the primary amine, secondary and tertiary amines are not formed, therefore it is preferred for the primary amine preparation. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next question, that is your question number 13.4. I am just going to discuss the 13.4 and you people will going to do that particular question yourself. Okay. Your first part 13.4, it says arrange in the decreasing order of the pKb values. Now the compounds which are being given to us is C2H5NH2, C6H5, NH, CH3, then C2H5 2NH and C6H5 NH2. It is saying that arrange them in the decreasing order of the pKb value. Now what is going to happen over here, when you are taking the C2H5 into the consideration, over here we are having the only group present, that is your C2H5. और अगर आप ये वाला ग्रुप कंसिडर करते हो तो यहाँ पे आपके पास 2 ग्रुप्स हैं ऑफ दी C2H5, therefore यहाँ पे प्लस आई इफेक्ट क्या हो जाएगा, वो ज्यादा हो जाएगा देन दिस C2H5OH. तो प्लस आई इफेक्ट ज्यादा होने से क्या हो जाएगा, योर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी एट द नाइट्रोजन एटम विल बी मोर. इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी एट नाइट्रोजन एटम will be more. Okay, तो because of which what is going to happen कि आपका C2H5 whole twice, ये वाला आपका it will become the more basic compared to this one. ये इन दोनों का कंपैरिजन आपको समझ में आ गया. Now looking this C6H5 NHCH3 and C6H5 NH2, इन दोनों को हम देखें तो what is going to happen कि ये दोनों ही कम बेसिक होंगे compared to this. The reason being for this, because of the in this there will be the delocalization, there is the availability of the delocalization of the lone pair. और अगर आप इनको देखो तो इनके पास क्या हो जाएगा, there will be the there is the CH3 group. Because of this CH3 group there will be what, इस CH3 group की वजह से क्या होगा, if you are going to compare this and this, कौन सा इफेक्ट आएगा बेटा, टेल फास्ट. यस बेटा, गिव आंसर.
प्लस आई.
यहाँ पे CH3 की वजह से प्लस आई इफेक्ट आएगा, बिकॉज ऑफ विच योर इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर विल बी व्हाट, कि योर लेस बेस डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर पूछे, डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर इसने पूछा है, तो सबसे कम किसका इफेक्ट होगा, दिस, देन दिस वन, and the most basic is will be this one. Okay, got it everyone? Yes or no?
मैम ये तो बेसिसिटी का ऑर्डर हुआ ना.
PKB वैल्यू तो पूछिए बेटा. PKB is a dissociation of the your that. तो डिसोसिएट अगर हम करेंगे तो आपका जो क्या कहते हैं सबसे ज्यादा बेसिक होगा वो उतना ही जल्दी रिलीज इट इज गोइंग टू डू दा ना. जिसकी जितनी ज्यादा बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ होती है उतना ही कम उसका बेसिक ऑर्डर होता है, सॉरी डिसोसिएशन ऑर्डर होता है. लाइक इसकी सबसे ज्यादा बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ है, तो सबसे ज्यादा बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ हुई तो इसका उतना ही कम पीकेबी होगा, तो ये आपका लास्ट आ जाएगा. गॉट दिस बेटा? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर मोर बेसिसिटी, lower will be pkb. Got it everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Clear now what is the concept behind it? Now your question
Yes
number
ma'am.
13.4 का second part, it is the basic strength order. You can do your 3 part, it is again a basic strength, वो भी आप कर सकते हो. Then your 4th part, it is also a basic strength, that also you can do. Your 5th part is the order of the boiling point. अब order of the boiling point में they have given the alcohol and then amine group and NH, or the amine groups only they have given. So now anyone who can give the answer for this? Now look, in your boiling point के अंदर क्या हो जाएगा बेटा, जिसके पास हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगी, wherever the hydrogen bonding will be present in any compound, it will have the higher boiling point. तो now what is going to happen कि इस हिसाब से क्या हो गया कि आपका हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट किसका होगा, OH के पास होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन जो है वो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है देन द नाइट्रोजन, therefore it is going to form the more stronger hydrogen bonding compared to the N group, that is your amine group. So this is for sure कि highest boiling point जो है वो आपका alcohol का होगा. Now they have given the primary and the secondary amine. In the case of the primary and secondary amine, again you are required to look the hydrogen bonding which is going to have the more stronger hydrogen bonding. Got it? कैसे करना है या करवाऊं इसको? कर लोगे विद रीजन और शुड आई एक्सप्लेन इट बेटा? क्लास 12th, टेल मी बेटा. बोलो बेटा. Reply beta. I'm waiting for your answers. क्लास 12th, मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या आप तक?